So I often mention making molds and productions and waxes and things like that, and I wanted to show everyone how that happens from start to finish. Some of you in the jewelry world probably know this already, but for those of you that are just fans or have purchased something before, here's a little insight on how things actually get made in a production line when you're doing casting. So you'll see in the first video what I'm doing here is packing the mold. So I'm taking unvulcanized rubber fresh from the box and I'm putting them around the masters. You can see those little triangle things that I'm putting there are sprue formers, and that's going to allow me to inject the wax into the mold when it's all vulcanized. And in the second video now you can see that I'm actually vulcanizing the mold. So I'm putting that into the vulcanizer. I have to get the temperature of that up a little beforehand, put my frame in there, and I squeeze it down tight, and then about 50 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the mold, it's going to be brought up to temperature, and that mold is going to be bouncy like a rubber ball. If you're not sure what vulcanizing means, think about a rubber ball. That's basically what it is. So now the rubber is going to be around that piece that I made, and it's going to create a negative. So now I have a mold where I can inject the wax into. And in the next video, you see that gel rose that I have, and that's a refurbished one. So that will hold the wax, and I heat that up, and then I'm able to inject the wax into there, and I can get multiples of that one carving that I spent, X amount of hours making. So I can make more of them, and then the next step after this would be setting up the tree, doing the investment in the casting, and melting down the recycled metals. So I hope you found this interesting. I know that I do, because I do it every day. Thanks.